Let's use fish to go for this. A two-face is that by force. Oh, you want it? Sister, nobody say. Okay, sister, man. You know the tire, you know the tire. Brother, sister, man. You know the
Può succedere che anche oggi cucini domani. Se succede, in caso di disturbo.
Iya coba ek bena. Oh kamu. Oh kamu nawa. Bari aku Bari zobu. Oh kamu dari zobu. Oh mama. I'm your mama. Mana oh kamu dari zobu. Iya je dari zobu. Suno kagele. Aya yo boy yo, sister ma. No, brother sa, sister ma. Me sole just like 10 plus 1 at 10, 8 plus 2 at 10, so it's 6 plus 4. Every day, on my warfare, talk about the cutting for shoe, you know, run. Life not on my tongue. Some of them use pen, some they use paper, some of them they use gun. Talk about
Isoken, go and learn how to drive.
Isoken kia.
Go and learn how to drive. Get below one aqua big war. I won't go for normal blow.
Justice for Luis. Mwekira. When Luis Ikira. That's when you're pure now. You know it. Sister ma.
Cuor di pane mulino bianco, una nuova ricetta per fette ancora più morbide e buone.
I release the song say, I walk by my yes, my gay one, I'm so good, I'm so good. Let's so good down who said back one now. What the one you wanted. Those two music came on at the same time, and all the cause chaos in social media. That when two music was not on here, commenters, lovers of Akobe and lovers of Esther, they were now badging each other on social media. Then I fall out on media. When I fall out on media, I give Akobe way for wrong. I give a Destiny way for wrong. I give Esther way for wrong. You understand? When I do that video go viral. Then who was the only presenter that came out to insult me was Iye Joy. You know how he insulted me? He insulted me, and I insulted Idiegbo Yage Semio Yewi. That was when me and Semio Yewi become friends. Semio Yewi now called in on my live video. And this time around, Iye Joy with darkness on that fake accounts. Then I now fall out to Iye Joy. It is a saga, because I don't know anything about her. I don't even know her. You know, when I baby, we have to me. If you are bothered of bring out your face. Now, before Iye Joy no move face of with 2021, rather. Okay, my face I told my face like that mistake like way. Okay, live a cooking. On live video. Dark audio video. Okay, video na magane. If video ni again the camera na to ni adu hey, we take a body. Camera na wade. Ana the face Iye Joy la dia. Then put a screenshot it. Aya Iye Joy aya on rowe. Account of Iye Joy ni. Na go yan do so as guy. The one na so na say she is beautiful. Okay, I let you one for 2 days na ye karo tuma kaya tu nek bene. No banya. No si po lebi yo egbe na. Yesu na kuku yesu na hofa. Then we become friends. imasa wana ndo asaga ni ati ivie no gbe agare motana believe that's asaga ye jo o saga ye no do wanda ye jo muse o say Monica. So I did that video. When I do that video, she now makes a friend with me. What does years on my joy again? Why down how no I don't know money where I see I joy. Well, what can you give where matter? I can't do that. I can't do that. I can't do that. I don't know. Then issue of a Juliet what give a you they are daughters were partner too. Nakebo. I did a pay show to expose their adulterous woman, which was given to me by Eddie Murphy. You understand? When I did that video, after them, where the same Eddie Murphy and the wife brought an issue of Heli Freaky to my platform for me to saga Heli Freaky. Also brought Ukinebo to my platform for me to also saga Ukinebo that they are adulterous women. And that's okay, no problem. Then, for the Heli Freaky, there was no concrete proof for me to saga Heli Freaky. I created awareness and I said Heli Freaky should call me. Your attention is needed. Then a lot of people started calling me. And they conferenced me, do a conference call with me, and said, no, leave that woman alone. That woman is not an adulterous woman. That woman is married. I said, no problem. I stepped down. But for the one of Ukilebu, they gave me a lot of evidence. A lot of proof. You understand? That even concern one so-called man call whether rich money or be they need fresh money only see UK that have one group that a lot of women are there, you know. They gave me a lot of proof of many things that go on. That's okay. Let me go to a boom. I strike. Mind you, I was not talking to Julie London. I was talking to what's it called Ukinebu. Then I strike, beam. Immediately I strike, boom. GPC people, they raise up their head. They start dropping my video. Immediately, Destiny called me. Destiny, please, Ukinebu na mama, I beg. Lao, see Ukinebu na Destiny, awa. You see, then the Murphy called in. When the Murphy called him, they tell me the Murphy that gave me the issue. You understand? Now the Murphy say, Destiny was online. This one is a clear matter. Destiny they call. It was the Murphy that said, well, calm down, slow down. That means Ukinebu should bribe me. You understand? So immediately Ukinebu ball into the platform. They added Ukinebu. Ukinebu was not talking, was not angry, was not asking me questions like a baby. You understand? I got angry and I got out of the platform. I left the conference call. Then I kept quiet. Eddie Murphy called me in the night and pleaded with me, say, please. Because Eddie Murphy's wife wanted to do birthday. That was July 31st, 2023. So because of that birthday that Ukinebu is coming, I should please slow down. I should be beating Julie London. You understand? I should be beating Julie London. I should leave Ukinebu alone. And I said, okay. This one. Let me say this one. Okay, like the year. I kept quiet. After 1 week, I bought that for Ukinebu. Now, I started giving the stories of Ukinebu and Julie London. Listen, I said, Julie London, your attention is needed. Come and listen and come and debunk this thing. Ukinebu, the house you open in Lagos. Do one now, the video is still on my page. But the little video, man. The house you open in Lagos. This one was not sagaring Julie London. I was exposing the gossip between Ukinebu and others that Julie London did not know. That was what I was exposing. Say, Ukinebu asked me, the clothes when you wear, when you open your house for Lagos. Now Ukinebu and I borrow you that clothes. You understand? That was what I said. Boom! The next thing Julie London go do, he carry phone. He called the doctor for Nigeria. He recorded the doctor. He said, I'm going to give a nogi. He paid the nogi. Me nogi called Sagami. Alongside with Wagirotata Yue, they are adulterous woman. They paid the nogi. They started sagaring me. The people that was commenting on my platform, Julie London and Wagirotata, they started sagaring that person. Even go include Mama, Mr. Monday Doma. They bring up the Doma picture. They bring out his wife's picture. They started insulting Monday Doma. Say because Monday Doma pressed love and like my video. You understand? The extent where Julie Lord go with that one. Okay. Now say, come, Julie, shift closer. Vianney kwa emite. See you say you want to do saga. I know. After you get money, Abi, let's go there. Make I tell you say, mo tutu no mo no wa ogwon gbaze. When they 1.5 hand. Julie emite. She came. And I started giving Julie emite back to back. The next thing where this woman go do with Major, because me and Major will be friends then. Major quickly called me for back. Hello. This time, my Major mandok by. My Major define how I wanted to do better. Julie already promised her. Odegbi. And Emila. The next thing Major go do, him. He fall out for me. So because he don't leave Julie London. What did Julie London do me? I saga Julie. I lie Louis. He start. Bam. Me now. All weather. Anyone will come out, I go to and on. Because I get all the spare. My specter are full ground. But man, draw my Major come. Sit down here. Now I carry Major a picture with your husband. Now I put her for table. Let me tell you your own story. You will come fight for Julie. Your own useless adulterous is even more than, it's even worse than Julie London. How will I do a bow for Lagos, for Ashawo House for Lagos? When they ask you to get and that's what I'm not. When you enjoy your bisoke, and that's what I'm not media. When I am here, la, or car who you know be a joy, you know be a joy. No, you I came here with you, la, ya, where you joy, la. La, fuck my man picking. Umana got to bunker, adding, ye joy. When my letter you where you were verbal, and I'm making Ulala ma we do it, or ma who are we do it. Umano dibonke. Go work ye joy. A cookbe, go work is you, don't look like our friend. If you la, or run so when he do la, no, ye look ya. Whereby Ulala was dating your mother. Wa giaga. When I fear leg be, Remiani. Who were Remiani? Wow, what national history. Why are they make social media in my ass? India's why I can start narrating one after the other. One after the other, one by one. In Mia. When my money come here, as well as I can still say it today, tomorrow. You get me now? Or be understanding me now? As soon for national history. Now let's go straight to my own wife. Who walk away? Ana afia ba ana ro yewe ana afi nugwe do ka so ro ye kavi. Oh God, ba ina gele to zuwa umore de gboto wero vi me so a friend ye kavi we so ro ye kavi ye joy me so a friend ye kavi. I only went to Mark Kevi's house to visit Kelvin. Do na mi ni aje were. That was 2023. You understand? Then I always go there. In a swan to see Yekev my kume. In a run say, I was able to do it like that. Yekev walk with me. It's a sappy way I'm married. Yekev my kume. We were swallowed Yekev. In my Yekev Ruwa. We were in Nigeria. We were cutting. We were yellow red cutting. Eh, yeah, Bukaro yogi oga. Where od nye gumeru wa mi am nyimu ba ni mi aye. Omati gumeguma merobi ku. Una with the first video. We gonna go second video. You were inside car with your stupid echo better husband. Better will rather na wa gbe wa gbon. Wo ga ru moto. Wo ga haro biye owo ki men na ogun yage denye. Then my red dining. I was in dining that day. My work I want to reply you. Oh, come here, go. Your mom will face larger. On our way. Since you were a video where you gumerema, you ma vaccine. When not the phone wa guru wa, or the phone wa guru wa, what the phone bad traffic here. When I you not took the alaluhi, Okunamu go young, or the phone might see a vaccine. 2 hours. That was the first time. Then, Ugaita, Uwe Okame, or deported area in Nigeria. What you know with the area? Undi mena or give me no money or money with the do me a many as you were. Oh, how now with video on a hamon law. You allow him, then what is what in Nigeria? Ya give a huna. You use a wine in your way. Una where Ovi Bomugo Yawamu. Oh, I want to laugh with your joy. Ya give a huna. Do me a mere ya watch the video you should be the my delete. And I want to laugh. Why would your body here? On a nice ago, at your saga, allow your body your joy. Then go Rowana. A breakfast of Bomu, Lao, going what a breakfast in the Gabowa. We had a purpose in the Gavibu. Since we tie life video will be going a breakfast no more young, Lao, we had a breakfast in it. Why did you Gavibu? You understand? When I get here, we boy a little breakfast in it, you make it our free. That was the other tie your will life video. It will have fear you way. And I will not take a what I'm enjoy. On our video. After we marry, marry, unas one sagao come. Unas one royo, ye Kevin at Bogbe, one way, you can when I marry Frankie, if I can never hurry, if I can a car, we can hit away, marry. Now, I will come another only live video. He took permission from me where he joined and he totally and he bear. We motor on our only live video. Or we only live video. Do mia even I was still on that live video, but my way you don't do cotton. You understand? And I make a parable when I wait enjoy. Now she is officially married to Frank Victor. You're married, Nena. Since you were married, we're no word. Utiabonok be away. Or that when you hear it was bina. Do not me you are watching video. And since we're no word, we're Tiabonok that thing that will make you go. Or that from when oh la head is one way bogbina. Rule that way, oh gbina. A 2 at a sick baby, but nowadays you can do it. Back to sick baby because I say to I bit sick to it. If I back, I have your move. A video quickly. I get the whole waguda. He 2 at a sick baby. Banana, back to sick baby. You understand? Now let's go there. I'm not going to do wutu. So now, you know when I enjoy, go work walking me no car table. Lara enjoy. Ooh la la. Every no la marry where you are. Every marry who you are. You are a mad woman. Do when I get a responsible woman who will not need me. A traditional man to the core. You will sit down with the traditional man. What are they care? Alalu, a carry train, Alalu. No, those are pure water men. You can zua. Ogbeno zua. Now one bulala. We don't bulala kana. Agua, bulala kana wata owa. Who I will live video. Or the point that all the way like sobo. Don't care who. Or una be who beg me. Ulala, you are welcome to the women in Europe. That's the life in Europe. Every experience now. You could know why we deku. Even here we every pass to now. Aku where you were. Who are the palo live video? Aku where you were. That is Europe for you. About here, call. Wow. Then we take belly the other way. Park quick one guy. Here person. The guy I will patron too. Who saw it? When I'm went to equal Boria. A kid don't have a war. Who know what you are going to get to Nigeria. One more tell them but I will not go give a what. No, Sarah Manja. Ulala is the Ogapata of them all. Ogapata of the useless my Bini, the useless native daughter I ever attack Bana. Ulala is their heck, why the heck Cotalia. Obono, Obono, I will rock Bashawo, not go guinea, I say, not go guinea Dimoto, who is what? Pua, Ulala, God punish Ulala. I prosper for your eye. You are a useless native daughter. A fake or boda that you be. Real native daughter go keep their wife for his house. They're going to cook for their wife going to cook for them. I like when I answer money. Or have you a cow bill away. Open the way, but like back was a car. Or you be a colorful, sexy brown or matty dew. Or so there no I work a order from your legend to me as a legend man. Or your legend to get. Or your legend to the legend not got. A pine will legend in the Beya Wakaba. It's like or the Bayu Wowa. Oh, Oguna me ato wako. Others is here to umu. Oh. Dala mo adie we bodo wa dalu he. No you gbigbi agari go giwe wa. Uwe owo la we dig yiki. Uwe na ya gbasa wo ne webu. Oye buse Nigeria. Oye mu go sanya. Iwe ya giase no ozo no ka dig yiki kegwi. Wa bomb na. Omo no bia mo no bia webu. Da osanya. Oye ga mo biye giye. Mo biye giye we kokobiri mo biye kokobiri. Hey, got this big boy. You know the truth. You know the truth. I want to know shares on one now. When I expect, you know when I touch it with the whole live video, they go expose you. I mean, you expose you with that. It is I expose you with here. You know when Louis here, that's a very Louis. When that's a when I am not be a verbo. Or I am going to be Louis. The money I'm money. Then you be Louis, the money you go who no your boy teach you of your money. Do you going to be Louis? When that's a boy, we don't verbo. Or I am going to be Louis. The money you not be cannot be a can work here, the man. Then you be Louis, the money you go who you are. On a claim Louis. On a claim Louis. Wow. Don't want to this media. Don't want to this media. We know that. We know, yes, but we do it in a very clear platform. And when issues like this come, yes, you can boldly, yes, but now, as I see the year, as I see friend here, is not my daughter or my son. Awe kuzo kinoro school ya, if you want ya. Koko kevi no holding FF, all that for ya. That's how it's supposed to work. And do I claim on no be aware, will be because of two here. You're supposed to be ashamed of yourself as a man. Why are you playing when level? Who ever about Goma? No be a power. What are you supposed to do? When there's not David, are you supposed to bother? So, yes. What was it? When I'm not going to know, ever take no. Okay, I have money. We don't want any test. One more, I mean, the I think when you want a book. More on a book better. Or whatever level. Don't we don't want any of your money. What money will no more going to have a book. I have for some back. No more money will you create for some back. Nonsense, man. And that worry. I will not deny you. I will not deny me. It's my son. Louis is my son. That way I will not deny him. I will not deny you. You will not deny because you are afraid. You are afraid to stand by the truth. Nonsense. Iyeje, momoge no nyamo. Momoge o. Momoge no nyamo, momoge. Iyeje mo Louis igi oye gana o. Momoge o. Momoge no nyamo, momoge. What I will be ekiguga. O no nyamo. When I talk okay Monica. No more Jebo geru wala. Area wa gibe nanya. Justice for Jebo. Justice for Louis. Justice for Louis. Momoge no nyamo. Iyeje momoge no nyamo. Momoge no nyamo, momoge be gana. Momoge be justice for Louis. Justice for Louis. Justice for Louis. Justice for Louis. Wagiara. Nonsense tikabu. Let's go and take collection. I make collection. When I collect if you born with a winner. But you may have bonus on. I don't go away now. We are analyzing. You know some of the topic. I want it to be seen topic. And my topic to you is always sincere and it's true. On a saga is the truth. You understand? Is the truth. And now, let me tell you this one, quick one. Let me tell I be you are wounded. You understand? When I be you are wounded now. Or one way, but there be you 90, 200 years. It's of no use. That's the truth. It's of no use. You understand? That be you are ragbon now. When I act about you. Oh, really, man. If you want to hear die in here, but so you are wounded. Here you are boy. It's just that the family, you might be responsible. If the family are responsible, they see what you are doing on media. They're supposed to call you to order. Because Umage Gbe Hotiana Wune. You understand? Umage Hotiana rest in peace. You are disturbing the peace of their family. Abia you want let the whole family, your mommy want via information gear. Because she's evil, she's barbaric, she's demonic. She know you are also demonic. Bed of the same feather flocks together. You know what I'm saying? So I say another thing we have you audio now. How someone have you the priest?
I don't priest we don't mugu.
Don't mugu and me to say.
We don't priest.
You understand? No, no, yeah, yeah, you understand? No, ya wunia. Wama get be ohwe. Abia you wama hewe, abia you wama wu. Abia you wama huami. Abia you wa heri and ya wu on have your that means we planning and we have bene.
Ula lag bene on have you.
You understand? What we're planning and you want it's just that the family doesn't know what to do because Ajegon was not responsible. If Ajegon was responsible, that Ajegon was not family no. The family could have sued you. And then when we social media self will make you to go to prison. Who can not tell me to you said Ajegon nowhere. Yes, you Ajegon have the go. That means you guys already have time. You already planned the death of Abiyawa. When we are watching here, you understand? You already used your mouth to say when Abiyawa anywhere in on of your jogwe. You understand? We're fixing it to your name. We're planning and we're kicking off in it. Spiritually, we're burning. You understand? Why do I so in media? Where do I so? Osa nobody where we na be you wu because not my war you wu because it's a god me you view ni low in short all it moto ni efi ni ogbin e lucky ni eme na bu why ko wa wu you wa because that ni iragbon that be why iragbon we saga rubbish no na we saga ni etula ni efi moto ni efi etula fi e boss ni efi ni oh one etula na ni e gbere express to the order e fian
e peaceful wu ni e wu
e peaceful you may peaceful wu anta you like me we wa. You understand? No matter how demonic and evil she is, or wune a joy. And when my for media because of we for your talk. She's a barbaric demonic woman. So we for your talk. Or ragbon problem. Or wune problem. That's how to know an evil person. People are talking good about him. People are saying good things about her. No. They are all talking about the evil plans she normally do underground work. Or wouldn't for people to have peace. For people to sit down and mourn her. Instead people start insulting her again. Useless woman. When a woman like let me give kudos to Let Oguname. That reminds me of Let Oguname, who was a social media live video presenter. No, Nigeria, who died. The whole social media was mourning. People were mourning for that man. Check out people that have died. That social media knew. People were talking about Agbe mourning. Agabe you want to look. Abe you are it's like Ugbe no ma gbe mo ragbo. Okay, we that's Agbe. Nonsense. And that's the person you stand yourself. Yeah, Magba here take binana. Go here take binana be you are. Don't go here take be social media. The lowest and the smallest person a live video presenter, you can't even withstand that person on saga. The smallest live video presenter, the social media, we set to withstand the saga. Error. Me mind no live video, no here to be in all day. Because we go who go compose them, who go analyze them. I'm a topic in it. Go and analyze this topic. You don't know how to analyze the topic. You don't know point out to fetch out of the topic. You can analyze. If you don't know where women are going, if you don't know, I'll only pick some few words from the video. Then your first words pick now. Where I work as one rovi me. That I will man there again. Just one rovi. You just one rovi where you that way. You now pick a point you want. Then I now start from the beginning from 2020 when I did a video how you all first start insulting me on this media, and you are still on darkness. It's fake accounts. The point in where a video when I pick out, you know you reply right now. Just few points. Second point. What working more class on you were. Then I also pick out a point there. You know, you explain what you just want to come here. Even when I'm not yet married to her. She was not my wife then. You understand? Very yaswe. Obi understand me now? Uda me now? You are a muggle. Go and learn how to do saga. Because we're a bunch of illiterates. Go punish G1. Go punish Lola. Go punish JJ. Go punish Ake. Go punish Dominion. What's the with the Neborowa?
Go punish the Mugu.
Go punish the Mugu. Awazo. You understand? Agboya saga. Where we have. Laminga feel bitter. I can't give me. Laminga, my lovely people. I bet me gonna share this video. God bless you now.
No, now God go bless you now.
Go better.
Hello, my people. When I me share the video, now God go bless you now. Hallelujah. Idenue. Igagize lowe media na. Igagize me drenu we. Iye Kevin Egbogbe. Ladia. Ne kwe muna da arabia da fome. Da fome no wa. Oni begbe toto. Your Majesty International. Good morning. Da fome no wa. Wa mama da fome. Hallelujah. Ne kwe mu. We do agwa. We do agwa. Mudane. De do won ya moria. We agwa social media. We do agwa social media. Mega ize logo we. Hallelujah. Ne kwe mu. Suse, wese. My father, wese. Hallelujah. Me denu we. Me. O ma mwe. Oriri mag mwe. Una do agwi me gwa. Hallelujah. Give ye general. Je ni ba ti je gi me. Because Juliet give ti na. Juliet agbotale gbogbe. Ni ba bo alawe gbe. Wa oge gbu e wa mi oge ne mi ru wa wa gbo oge wa ezejo my people wa ezejo me are not time agbe me ogota mata ogota we do febo your the family we are doctors we do febo your the family we are doctors we do febo your alaluwe ne kwemu idenue Igagize logo we mesu we ya agbo egbe.
Okay, no. Look at the person you enjoy.
I bet Mona let me share this video. Mona channel God go bless you now. Let me share it.
Eh?
Ele wata. Oh yes so there.
The person you enjoy what no?
Obi akemu there. Ikama we. Oge numu ba my people ogota do we gi ego gota we ogota mega gelege obi Senegal ina obi Zimbabwe ni me ya live we bona awe gama evengegbe iye kewe gama ogun apaka Ogunizide. Oga la wo wa la lowe. Ipie ase ebe na o ya o na se we gbe wa be bugi ade. O ka gbe a before. Ase no ro gbe de ase no me to find gbe bu ade. Ipie I kama we na kana. O mo yo more. Me rugi moto me drive here rugi moto. Iye Kevin Egbogbe me rugi moto me wazu. Me mu ye ke one ne un bi gbe o tu la ase no me to de gbe bu e de ya ro vi me mi am that so me no me ro me wazu.
We boss the champagne.
Can you imagine? Ya ti ye Kevin Egbogbe. So don't debunk yeah wa debunk me no ta wa ze yo gi toge oge ya go me ven but e mata meta mu o na oge oge na la mata wa degi yeke wa sun wuye jo ne no wa
you okay go kan egbon kaya driver's license
o do pe wa ge go and bring driver's license.
What driver's license you can come and talk to my wife.
Yes make me go wegun this is the last video ni me here we unu.
Yes, done. You are the driver's license. Why the driver's license is in you
can sit on your car.
Who have a driver's license?
I know be Mwazuke.
Understand? We show Mwazu. When I think the way we are doing Nigeria.
Understand? I won't quite committed to Asame, you way, you are with the Maki Yawe.
Bell.
Every time.
Your gasoline with context. But your good woo. I got of our dirty club. Oh, give me the bottle.
Only over my mortgage by ye. Woge, no. Then you are the bonk. Me wa dollar da do way, ye jo wa ze Kevin yo. Iga gele azen da ikma gbo. Sakma no ware yo. Di me mana azen da. Wow. Lesi me ze begbe. E so gi me we ze begbe. Abi wa use oro bo pare we na do we na abi wa mari picture me lele. Kere nu gwe na kula la wa mari picture me lele na lele ni. Wa ma ge o mo na azun pa me ti gbe. O bu wa me ti gba.
Nonsense.
No we ati we ba later ye call you we. Oye me ti call you we ever lie. Wa sungu wagbon. O lesi ka mu segu wa. Beni mana ka mi segu wa yan ayun ya ki o. One by one.
Yeah, a platform you were. I be you want to win in Nigeria. Yeah, you don't go 14 native doctor. Mugbovian over here and let me we were. All we are Mugbovier. At the end of the day, on my way to the platform we will take on here. I'm not letting me we were.
Oh, Salobana, don't we are good till
a platform where you joy. What can I do with you? Or with one platform when we're 14 native doctor in Nigeria. Yeah, what's in Nigeria above 14? Yeah, really.
Yeah,
after that video, now. That's the last voice now you say.
Wow,
I bet you why is a very good example. No, woo. You're not woo. But what I wanted the bottle what I have no soon. O salaba here on a cafia goi no sponsor wa. On a fear your dad and wa. Wa soon who are two. I mean, no panos one or a pecking or let me with one or another avia because only they prepare near to prepare your turn. Near to collabo, never in Nigeria, no Yahama, Ario Bonario Bonopa. O salabana what devil who are men the Chris. On a see you while you're daddy. Wa bell wagmon. Ada egu wa ya enwe u no gba be go han agbedu one after the other when I be when I win robo na mo yin ekure abi when I yin hu yata eri wa ni bube mi de na ya eri wa be yin ta u no gba be go han agbelu wa ni bube mi de na be when I we frak gi wa ba
unless we be ma finish la video ne o be keni ma mo wa we gbejo o gbe kan na hu wa o be ma finish la video ne ke no se ke ma ta ma na ta ni e ba no na end o wa finish la video why call us why call so u wa ka ya be ko yin when I be one you like you and you like you one by one, no. I will go Satilia.
Yaga to the London when you call up. Yaga you with them. And you don't know what Marshall have done. Go back in 9 Marshall, or you must have you tell. I dig you can make Eto Bowa ya will tell. A Marshall in your green table. I ask you tell me. No, yeah, everybody around the age, they always go backward. You just can't. Marshall when I go. Go and look at that machine as turned to become a hotel.
Live video matter before it's tell me I tell you what I'm way. I be why like the picture. Honest one logo. You know little dog boy, you know little dog boy. On I take to walk away the near the dog.
I bet you are woo, or my woo, or let me go. Or Agmo.
Let me go.
You can only oh soon with the Buru.
I let no papa. But all like be. No keep your top wound. Or do I buya? Do I have one by one? No, unless what remember do what ban. All like Babu was soon with the Nevero. Why you want to be me while love lave?